How to get a YouTube TV free trial in Japan. YouTube TV is currently available only in the United States. To access this service from Japan, you can use a virtual private network (VPN) to simulate a US location. Here's how to proceed. Step number 1. Choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN provider known for effectively unblocking streaming services like YouTube TV. Options include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Step number 2. Install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN app on your preferred device, such as a computer, smartphone, or smart TV. Step number 3. Connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States. This will assign you a US IP address, making it appear as though you're accessing the internet from within the US. Step number 4. Sign up for YouTube TV. With the VPN active, visit the YouTube TV website. Click on Try It Free to initiate the sign-up process. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Enter a valid US zip code when prompted. Provide payment information. Note that a US-based payment method may be required. Step number 5. Start streaming. Once signed up, you can access YouTube TV's content library, including live TV and on-demand programming.